Lexus models and for the Toyota models. Plug and play, so you can add a front camera to work with your factory screen, and with just a push of a button you'll make that front camera come out, so you'll be able to park your car exactly where you want it without hitting a curb or hitting anything in front of you. Another stereo replacement kit, it's for Lexus IS, the 2nd gen model. If you want to change your radio, we have a really cool, seamless, easy to install kit that you will want. The very popular smartphone mirroring interfaces. You'll find a lot of YouTube videos we made on these. Very easy to install, plug and play. Whatever you see on your phone, you could display it on your car screen. On top of that, all the audio and all the apps will show as it shows on your phone onto your factory screen. So make sure you guys don't miss it, and we'll see you at BeatSonicUSA.com.